shine. And look, sparkles. Something's making smiles shine in here today.
Milo, you are making your teeth sparkle and keeping them nice and healthy. Great job, Milo.
Guess what, friends? Milo has given us a clue about what today's show is all about. We have some picture clues to help you guess. We have a picture of some teeth, a toothbrush, and toothpaste.
And we are in the playhouse bathroom, Miss P2.
That's right. Do you think you know what we will be learning about today, friends?
Yes, that's right. Today we will look about learning all about looking after our teeth. Our teeth are important and we must take good care of them and keep them healthy.
But before we get started, let's start with our hello song. Let's learn together, come and sing. With Miss B's it's fun, you'll see. We'll count, we'll sing, we'll dance, we'll play. Let's have some fun today.
Great job, friends.
Don't forget to keep an eye out and check out how many times our cheeky little Milo mouse pops up in today's show, friends.
Today we're learning all about healthy teeth. We will look at how to keep our teeth shiny and strong.
Yes, we'll learn why brushing morning and night keeps our smiles bright and healthy, and why keeping our teeth healthy is important.
We need to look after our teeth and keep them clean and healthy because our teeth help us to chew our food, talk clearly, and smile brightly.
Tiny sugar bugs, called plaque monsters, try to hide on our teeth after we eat or sleep.
That's why we have to brush them away twice a day.
That's right, and that's super important, Miss P1. We always brush our teeth 2 times every day to keep them healthy and strong. In the morning, to wake up our smiles and make them fresh for the day, and at night before bed to wash away all the food and sugar bugs.
It's important to know how to clean our teeth. Let's learn how to clean our teeth together.
Let's look up at the board and let's pretend to clean our teeth together. Step 1.
We need to get our toothpaste and our toothbrush, and we have to squeeze a little bit of tiny bit of toothpaste onto our toothbrush. Just a little bit. You did great, friends.
Step 2. We now need to brush with our toothbrush. Gentle circles on the front, sides, and back of our teeth. Brush up, down, and round and round. Let's go. Great brushing, friends. Don't forget to brush your tongue.
That's it, friends. Once we are all done brushing, remember to spit out the toothpaste, not swallow it. Then give your mouth a rinse with water. Great job, friends. Spit, swish, and smile. That's the Miss P style.
Remember, friends, we do this twice every day. Once in the morning and once before bedtime, so our smiles stay bright all day and all night. Circle up, circle down, sparkly smiles all around. You all did great, friends. Give yourselves a big thumbs up.
It's time for us to head to the music room to get our bodies moving. Let's go. Welcome to the music room, friends.
Now that we know how to brush, let's move like toothbrushes.
Listen along to the music and follow along with us. It's time for our brush dance boogie. Let's dance.
First, we're going to brush up and down. We're going to brush up, up, and down, 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 like we do when we brush our teeth. Ready, friends? Brush up, 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 and down, down, down. Up, up, and down, down, down. Up, 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 and down, down, down. Up, up, and down, down.
One more.
Up, up, great job. Down, down.
Great job. Now we're going to do circle, 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 clap. Ready? Let's go. Circle, 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 clap. Circle, 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 clap. Circle, 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 clap. Circle, 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 clap. Circle, circle, circle. One more. Circle, 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 circle. Well done.
Now, let's kick the germs and sugar bugs away. Are we ready, friends? Step, kick, step, kick, step, kick, step, kick. Great kicking, everyone.
1, 2, 3, 4. Great job. Now we're going to put our arms out strong and wiggle the germs away.
Sugar bugs in.
Yes. Ready? Strong and wiggle. Strong and wiggle. Strong, wiggle. Strong, wiggle. Strong, wiggle. 2 more. 2.
Great job, everyone. Now, let's just dance.
You all did great job. A great job, friends.
That's right, you certainly did. Let's head back to the playhouse bathroom for more learning fun.
It's time for some speech talk, friends. Remember to watch our mouths as we say the words.
Our teeth are sparkling and our mouths feel so fresh and clean after brushing our teeth this morning.
Yes, you're right, Miss P2. And now that our mouths are fresh, it's the perfect time to practice our talking sounds.
That's exactly right, Miss P1. It's time for some speech talk. Remember to watch our mouths as we say the words.
Today's word, first sound, is the S sound. Like in smile, sparkle, and soap. Let's hiss like a snake. Great job, friends.
Let's look at our first word. Smile. Say the word smile together with us. Ready, friends?
Smile.
Smile. Great job, everyone.
Our next word is sparkle. Say the word sparkle with us, friends. Ready? Sparkle. Sparkle. Fantastic, friends.
Ready for our next word, friends? Listen closely. Our next word is soap. Ready, friends?
Soap. Soap.
Well done, everyone.
Our last speech talk word for today is sink. Say the word sink together with us. Ready, friends? Sink. Sink. Great job.
Super speech talk, friends. Give yourselves a big thumbs up.
Let's look at our pictures and see what comes first in our next game. I see a toothbrush with toothpaste, a boy brushing his teeth, and a big sparkly smile.
What do you think we do first, friends? Let's put the pictures in order. Yes, that's right. We get our toothbrush and toothpaste.
Next, we squeeze a little bit of toothpaste onto our brush, just a tiny bit.
Then what next, friends? That's right, then we brush our teeth up and down and round and round.
And last, a big sparkly smile. Wow, friends, you're brushing champions.
Give yourselves a big thumbs up.
Now, let's sing our healthy teeth song together.
Let's brush, brush, brush our teeth. Morning, night, and underneath. Smile so bright, shiny and clean. Let's make them sparkle and gleam. In the morning when you wake, before you eat your toast or fruit, grab your brush, it's time to play. Let's brush those sugar bugs away. Brush, brush, round and round, up and down, that brushing sound. Swish, swish, spit, hooray, we're clean. Shiny smiles that really gleam. In the evening before bed, after milk or juice, it's said, brush your teeth from cheek to cheek and smile big every week. 1, 2, let's count to 10. Brush each tooth and start again. Keep on brushing, don't give in. 2 whole minutes, let's begin. Tiny circles, gentle too. Front and back, we can do it. Woohoo! Brush, brush, round and around, up and down, that brushing sound. Swish, swish, spit, hooray, we're clean. The happiest teeth you've ever seen. Now we rinse and smile with pride. Healthy teeth from side to side. Morning and night, we know it's true. Brushing's fun for me and you. Whoa, brush, brush, round and around, up and down, that brushing sound. Swish, swish, spit, hooray, we're clean. The happiest teeth you've ever seen. Now we rinse and smile with pride. Healthy teeth from side to side. Morning and night, we know it's true. Brushing's fun for me and you. Brushing's fun for me and you.
Fantastic, friends. That was such fun. How many times did you spot our cheeky little Milo mouse today, friends?
Yes, that's right, friends. Milo popped up 4 times today.
Let's count to 4 together. Ready, friends? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Fantastic, friends. It's time for us to go now, but we can't wait to see you again right here at Miss B's Playhouse. And remember, friends, smile big, be kind every day. Bye, friends. Wow, friends, what a great time we've had today. Today's show was aligned with the early years learning outcomes, which you can find in the description below.
If you love learning with us, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.
And click the bell icons so that you never miss a new episode.
We can't wait to learn and play with you again soon. Remember, smile big, be kind every